Hey everyone, ready to dive into the world of .NET with C#? Let's get started with a step-by-step guide that's perfect for beginners. First off, what exactly is .NET? It's a free open-source development platform by Microsoft. You can use it to build web, desktop, mobile, and cloud applications. And the main language we'll use is C#, a modern, object-oriented language that's both powerful and beginner-friendly. So let's get your tools ready. Head over to the official Microsoft website and install Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, along with the .NET SDK. Once you're all set up, it's time to dive into C# fundamentals. Start with the basics: variables, data types, loops, conditionals, functions, and classes. Practice these by building small console applications like calculators or to-do lists. Trust me, getting hands-on is the best way to learn. Next, let's go a bit deeper. Explore object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and interfaces. These might sound intimidating, but they're super important. Now onto the fun stuff, building real-world web applications using ASP.NET Core. You'll learn about Razor Pages, MVC architecture, and RESTful APIs. And don't forget about databases. Use Entity Framework Core to perform CRUD operations and migrations. Strengthen your skills by working on projects like a blog, task manager, or finance tracker. These projects will not only solidify your knowledge but also look great in your portfolio. Finally, let's talk deployment. You can use platforms like Azure, Render, or even local servers to get your applications out there. Throughout your journey, leverage resources like Microsoft, Learn, Free Code Camp, and YouTube channels like I Am Tim Corey. Join developer communities on Discord, Reddit, or Stack Overflow for support and feedback. Remember, consistent practice, building real projects, and staying curious are the keys to mastering .NET programming. Happy coding!